Priority, priority, priority. Priority.
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all also by your body like. When she walk, I could dress her ride up.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's a boss Nando in a building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So you know we're there. We are reason about the Alkaline priority song, and we see a lot of people run out and bash the song, and they're also bashing Alkaline, saying that Alkaline needs to pack it up, Alkaline needs to retire, or they must say Alkaline has struggled to get views or a struggle for finding a hit song. So what I want to say is, the time where a lot of people are take for bash Alkaline, why them not highlight the fact that all of the other artists them nah find a hit song also? Why them not highlight the fact that the other artists them nah do no number, instead of running out and bash Alkaline or try to tear them down? Because viewers and subscribers, remember this, you know, a long time this a go on. A long time them a bash Alkaline about him songs them, until Alkaline drops the music video for them. You see, people hush up them mouth, them not say nothing. You guys remember Mad Love Is You, and way before Mad Love and Is You guys remember back in 2020 when Alkaline dropped the Ocean Wave song and people were saying that this not sound good. You remember when Alkaline dropped Pretty Girl Team and people were saying that it not sound good until, not Pretty Girl Team, but Perfect. You remember when Alkaline dropped Perfect and people were saying that it not sound good. Multiple songs Alkaline drop and people say it not sound good. You know why? Because Alkaline's music is not easily digestible music. Because when him drop him songs them, it not simple so you can hear it one time and like it. It make you have to listen it and really listen it over again for really comprehend where the artist or DJ in our song. Now, Priority are one of them songs that right now in the state or in a right now in a dancer. Like, there are so many songs where Alkaline drop, and because them not getting a video, them not really got much places. But you notice say the other song Is You, when Is You did drop, you notice the trajectory with Is You, or it never really push up or it never gonna away, because every music have different market where it take off, you know. You remember Skilly Bang Wak Pop song where Jamaican did a say flap, until them realize it take off, them jump on the bandwagon and start real feet and say wap 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 a big song, because wap 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 take off in a big market, and then it for them can't hide from acknowledging the fact say yo, that song that it and that song that do it for do it go far. Now to say this, me I say them out here a bash Alkaline, right? And me have some pictures more show for uno with some of the artists them where I drop music videos and them song still nah it. And remember, bear this in mind, music video are not cheap something for do. So the artists them out here are do music video, and after a couple months pass, the songs them now go on with nothing. Is it safe to say the songs them now it? Well, me can't judge it by saying the song them now it, because every song pick up its own pace. That's why me say me I gotta be fair enough to say yo, me can't jump the gun and say oh because of 1 week a song drop, a song nah it, or me I bet you say that song and nah it. Now I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen. Me I put Alkaline picture on the screen for uno, so you can see some of Alkaline songs them, and me I go show you the views them and show you the difference between his audio songs and the other artists them videos. Watch this, you know. Alkaline have Priority. This is how I take it from 13 hours when the song is just dropped. This was 64k views in a 13 hours. Look on Disgusting. Disgusting, the audio is 475,000 views in a 3 week. Artscar 947k in a 1 month, and currently it's supposed to have 900 and around 60,000 views in a 1 month, and that's just an audio. Look on My Choice, 386k views in a 2 months. Earn Your Way, look on Earn Your Way audio, and look on Earn Your Way visuals. The visuals, Earn Your Way, 2.7 million views in a 4 months. The audio is 805k in a 6 months. Imagine, you see how Alkaline go to work, people, viewers and subscribers. How Alkaline go to work? Alkaline drops his audio first and then him drop in visuals. Alkaline has been into that. Alkaline has been using that formula from ever since. Remember, I know viewers and subscribers, Alkaline, Pretty Girl Team, when Pretty Girl Team drop the audio, him never drop no visuals feet until late, When After All drop viewers and subscribers, After All take off in the dancehall space with just an audio. And then the next year in 2017, Alkaline drop a short movie, a short clip, a short film, and it take off also because the audio took off in the space of the dancehall and the visual took off. Also, it start create back a wave same way. So I say this, bro. Alkaline has been using the formula of dropping audios. Like, me not understand, people can come out now and attack. Like, me I go say this. It is like to say every level where you go on a new set of haters, right? I remember when JA Radio was around and JA Radio bash Alkaline Juggernaut, then bash Alkaline Perfect, then bash Alkaline Ocean Wave. So much songs them bash because of audio them, and you know say within a visual era, within a video era where people will sit back and watch a video throughout the entirety, but because it's an audio of lately, people don't really listen music because most people live a fast life, and enough time people don't have the time for sit back and listen to music unless them really a driver or unless them in a party. But some of my time me notice say them not really play Alkaline songs them no more, cause it is safe to say musically Alkaline no hot like that, but currently in a dancehall because Alkaline a column in a dancehall, but say musically not hot because people are come out and I say yo Alkaline song them not hit and rare because Alkaline now follow the same standard with all of the artists them. All of the artists them a drop video and it a work for them, and some of them not even a work because me I go pull up some video, me I go pull up some another picture with some of the other artists them, and the other artists them a drop visuals and the visuals them not it. The only person right now you can say a hit with visuals because they know him sign and him a get pushed and the numbers them are pushed in the videos them, because it is safe to say most of the artists them are buy views, but some of the people them no want no five people them no want say it, them no want highlight it, but Alkaline alone them come out for try for tear down saying that Alkaline a struggle, Alkaline can't find a hit, Alkaline need for retire. Now me I go pull up the first person me I go pull up a Valiant and me I go show no. Look on Valiant views. Hold on, bring up this ice cream there. The first person me I go show no a Valiant. Valiant have them Valiant at right now, me not take that from him, Valiant at with Passenger. I think it named Passenger Princess, but look where me I show no viewers and subscribers. Valiant Passenger Princess. The first song of Valiant have. The Valiant first song on the list is West Indies. West Indies. And West Indies have over 459k in a 5 days, which is good. That is good. At least 1 day apart, we say a 500k in a 5 days. So 459k, good. Valiant has what you know. With another one here, all over, and you don't hear them talk about it. If you check these views on Valiant song, all over, 962k in a 12 days. And if you check the comment section has less than 1,000 comments in it. What's that safe to say? The songs them are bat up. The songs them are get the back views. Look on Valiant, what call it, Anansi. And they came out saying that Anansi is a good song, Anansi is a hit song, which is why I'm not gonna come out and bash the artists like some of the other people them and say the artists them songs them with them have with less than 1 million views in a month. Nah, I'm not gonna do that because song music is very selective and subjective to whosoever listen it, because you have a song can take off now and you have a song we might not take off. Song might take off later in the future. Look on Valiant, Anansi. Anansi has 525k in a 2 month. and Valiant at, right? They can say Valiant at, right? Yeah, because Valiant find Passenger Princess. But they're saying that Alkaline is struggling while all these artists are do music videos. And the videos them, nah, it. Anansi, 525k in a 2 month. In a 2 month. If Alkaline had that video, Alkaline had a video with that amount of views, you that hear them tell us say Alkaline, nah it, or the song nah it, or you must struggle. Look for Valiant EP. Valiant drop a EP with what? One song, whole lot of money, and that song that go on with itself. Whole lot of money with 42k in a 2 month. And him drop a video for that, and it go on with a little thing, but you know do no baga number. Another song on the list, Pop. When name Pop Cyber, Pop Cyber, 73k in a 2 months. Ugly, 28k in a 2 months. And the song, you not hear nobody talk about it. The only song we are create a way for Valiant right now, it is Passenger Princess. Passenger Princess are only song. So, me I say this, bro. Alkaline, priority. Him fans go, they go support him music. Priority gone #1 on iTunes, Reggae iTunes chart, which is a good thing. All of the artists them where you hear them I tell you say it. Them songs nah go on the iTunes chart. Them songs not even a chart in the top 5, but yet still them can tell us say the song the artists them are it with them song, but them can come out and tell us say Alkaline a struggle, Alkaline need for retire from music. Now me I gonna pop up the next artist, Chronicler. Chronicler has a song called where you go? Chronicler has a song called Happy Time, right? Happy Time, you know. And me I gonna pull it up on the screen and show now. Chronicler has a song called Happy Time with around 400 and odd views in a what? 400 and odd views in a 7 days, and them all tell us say the song it. Them all tell us say the song it. Because me I gonna pull up more now. Me I gonna pull up the Vegas song where them tell us say a it song for 2025 because it name 2025, and me I gonna pulling it up and showing on the views. Chronicler has a song called Happy Times with 400k views in a 7 day, which is not bad because it can pick up its pace. That's what I'm saying now. Me nah go come out and bash the artists say them and say them song nah go pick up pace, because me can remember a lot of times with Alkaline songs them or them pick up pace. Remember them that say Mad Love nah it because him sound like he must sing to it in a too much auto-tune sound, or the song not mix good and rare. And if you check Mad Love video right now, Mad Love are one of the most biggest song for Alkaline for the past 2 years. Mad Love has over 17 million views on YouTube, and if you check TikTok right now, it has so much plays, so much people play it in a them video, so much people put it in a them picture, them video, all sort of stuff. And Mad Love has 17 million views. If you check the audio has 5 million views. And if you ask them if that song the hit, if the video never drop and you ask them if that song the hit, they might tell you say it not hit because it not do not bagga million views. But that's to show you not every song I gonna create that big of an impact, because me can remember also another thing. I wanna tell me in the comment section now. Another song where goes by Sell Off. Alkaline drop a song called Sell Off, and that's why I'm telling you, you can't underestimate Alkaline, because Alkaline drop a song named Sell Off, and the people them, the first thing them come out and say, what kind of song this Alkaline sing? Alkaline, this not sound good, because me can't tell you, the first time as me hear the song for the first time, I said, yo, this not sound like my DJ. But this is to show you say Alkaline has different style and different ways as how him go about music. Sell Off, you remember how Sell Off deal with the place. You remember how Sell Off dominate the space. But if you check Sell Off views, that's what I'm telling you say. Not every song with the views, the impact with certain song, a hit song, you can ask anybody about Sell Off. But not every song I gonna do a bagga numbers without creating the impact. Enough of Vybz Kartel songs them mash up the place back then before YouTube. And if you check the views them now, they are not 20, they are not 15 million views, but because them do them for do in the space of dancehall. Chronicler, Happy Time, 400k 7 day, good. Chronicler, which place? 294 Ks, 2 week, and look, 2 week apart from Happy Time dropping up, and which place have over 294K in a 2 week. Another song, Lights Out, 452K in a 3 weeks. Them all tell us say them not it because them not do the numbers. But yet still, them not go come out and tell us say Chronicler a struggle. Them not go come out and tell us say Valiant a struggle because of what? The Alkaline a traffic the 8, Alkaline a traffic the attention. So them always have the need to come out and bash and try to tear down Alkaline. And as I say, a long time them a do this, and not just now. A long time them a do this. I can remember because me I follow the journey of Alkaline's music. Every song where Alkaline, almost every song from around 2017, them bash Alkaline and say it no sound good. I remember Hard Tackle, them tell us say Hard Tackle not it. And if you ask anybody about that song there, a conscious song, that song it, the way how it for it. And as we say, viewers and subscribe, you know, every song of its has its different way of how it. And every song take off in a every different market. Nobody till you hear some man tell about Jamaican space and Jamaican market. Most of them artists not just do music for just take off in a Jamaican market. If I did Jamaican market, them artists do music for, them would have never get big out there in the world because them song wouldn't reach certain places if a Jamaican market them a focus on. And you have to understand, them artists here are musicians. They are musicians, so they are not merely focusing on the Jamaican market for your song take off, because if I that it wouldn't take off. But because some of them people here, them brain they now matches box, them a think rationally and them now think logically, cause Alkaline song drop less than a week now and them come out and a tear it down. Alkaline you need for retire, Alkaline you need for pack it up because of the 8 and because Alkaline traffic's attention. Watch it again. Chronicler, Devil Pan Land. I'm not gonna tell you like Chronicler drop songs frequently, so songs kill songs. Chronicler drop a song called Devil's Land, 688K in a 1 month. And if Alkaline add that views, you gonna hear them say Alkaline flop and Alkaline a struggle. But you now hear them come out and listen, you know, viewers and subscribers. These artists are drop videos for them songs, you know, and them nah it, you know. Imagine the budget them put in. Imagine the budget them spend for putting in them videos here. Just thinking say them all it and them don't it. And Alkaline just do it with audio with them amount of views here. 452Ks on a video. Chronicler 3 weeks ago. It not it. 688K on a video. Chronicler Devil Pan Land. It not it. Chronicler again. Popular music. Psalms 55, 549, what, hold on there, now the on the screen, hold on there, 549K views, and them now come out, them now go come out and tell us say the artist them nah it, them nah tell us say the artist them nah it, cause watch ya, 549K on a video, Chronicler, popular music, Psalms 55, 549K, 1 month. Did you hear these artists? You hear them people that come out and chastise Chronicler and say Chronicler nah it? You not hear that because of Alkaline traffic the views. And these people where you see come out for Alkaline name, them need to give Alkaline his homage or Alkaline his credit, because them now telling us say Alkaline a traffic views to them platforms. Them now telling us say Alkaline name in a them title, Alkaline name upon them video, a traffic attention, a traffic viewership. They are not going to tell you that, but them have the need and the audacity to come out and say Alkaline a struggle, Alkaline needs to retire. Chronicler, another song. I don't know which song. Enemy. 233K in a 1 month. And did these people came out and telling us say them artists are struggle? No, they didn't come out and telling us say them artists are struggle, because it is an agenda they are pushing to try to discredit everything where Alkaline do. And as I tell you now, viewers and subscribers, this has been going on for a long time. Another, which other clip me have can pull up for now? Me, I got pull up Popcaan and show now. Me, I got pull up Popcaan and not even Popcaan first. Mr. Vegas. Me, I got pull up Mr. Vegas and show now that video there. Mr. Vegas YouTube platform. And remember them telling us say, Mr. Vegas 2025 a hit song, and me I go pull it up on the screen, and me I go show the views and show say that song not doing anything either. All the paid promotion they did for that song in a Jamaica, out of Jamaica, in a Jamaican diaspora, in a American diaspora, anywhere, and that song didn't do anything. Me I go pull up the song. Mr. Vegas, the first song on the board. 2025. Where is that song? Where is that flipping song? I think it is, Alive, year 2025. The first song on Mr. Vegas platform, and as I say, I not try to discredit the artists them, but I just lay all cards on the table so you can see. Them this the artists them watch this Them now put Mr. Vegas in a them title and tell us say Mr. Vegas is struggling to hit with Alive, but yet them can tell us say Mr. Vegas song 2025 a hit song for 2025. Mr. Vegas, the first song, Alive, year 2025, 415k with 6 months apart, 415k, and yet they are going to tell you that 2025 is a hit song. They are going to tell you that 2025 by Mr. Vegas is a hit song, but it didn't hit. It didn't hit because the views is there to show you if it's a views metric them I use for tell us say artists are struggle. Mr. Vegas is struggling to sell not sell either, but Mr. Vegas is struggling to do numbers with 2025. Alive, he is struggling to do numbers with 2025, but they're not going to come out and tell you that he is struggling to do numbers with that song. Them do it to Alkaline. Why them not? You see, what me I telling the viewers and subscribers, why them don't split justice? Why them not split it right across the board and telling us say none of the artists them it big with some of them songs them? As me said, viewers and subscribers, a Massacre only artists we are doing thing right now, and we know how that go already. And we now go try to discredit Massacre thing because if it's a number metric we are use, Massacre do the numbers. Even if it's by views numbers, he might do the numbers. And remember, Massacre is a signed artist, but Mr. Vegas right here with 2025, them now go telling us that he must struggle. The next song on the board, Happy Days, 9 months, it's a video. Would you say that Mr. Vegas spent all this money to do this video, budget this video, and fail and flop with the song? I bet you if it was an Alkaline video with 21k views, they would run out and tell us, oh my God, Alkaline, please pack it up now. Alkaline, please pack it up now, because 21k in 9 months on a video. No, them not gonna come telling us the other artists them are do it. The next track on the board. Oh my God, Jaja. The next track on the board, Mr. Vegas, Akuda 79k in a 1 year. And though Mr. Vegas I do show and I dominate across the world, yes, he is doing that, and don't Alkaline do it also. Yes, so what justice them a split? Them not split no justice and tell them to say the rest of artists them nah do nothing, but no, Alkaline alone traffic the attention. Alkaline traffics more haters than positive people sometimes because he has his fans, and him have people them will go out, they go stand up for him and speak up for him, because I feel like some of them people have amnesia, You remember the whole heap of songs them with Alkaline drop. The whole heap of songs them with Alkaline drop. The audio them will never take off. Boss for every boss has 5 million views, January. If that song they never have a video, them would have tell us say it not it. If that song never had a video, them would have tell us say it not it, because the numbers metric where them a work with. No Priority is one of those songs. Yeah, it has over 100,000 views in a 2 days, probably going 3 days soon. But them artists, Mr. Vegas has a song has a song 1 year ago with 79k views. Me telling you say, them now pay homage to the artists, them, you know, especially Alkaline, you know. They can come out and run out and tell you say Alkaline flop, Alkaline not relevant because his songs them are not hitting. But they are not going to tell you that Mr. Vegas, the artist where them a prop up and a champion, say, oh, Alive 2025 is a hit song for 2025. No, don't make them chicken, no. Don't make them chicken, no, because that song is not a hit song. With all the paid promotion where that song I get, it is not a hit song. Because if you all are working with numbers metric, that song is not a hit song. Look on the arm, look on the screen. You see 2025 in the top 10 position on iTunes. No, you see it a chart nowhere. No, it is not charting anywhere. Alkaline priority is fans them come out support him. That is what's to show you. Fan equity. None of them artists here don't have fan equity. Now, pull up another song again from Mr. Vegas chart, you know, make you see another song. There are so much songs after years passing. Mr. Vegas do so much poor views with so much videos. Can you imagine? With so much videos, Mr. Vegas have a next song with 10,000k in a 1 year. 1 year. Mr. Vegas with Nige Boy. Nige Boy a hot artist, you know. And you see, Nige Boy couldn't even help Mr. Vegas song. Mr. Vegas and Nige Boy bounce. 21k in a 1 year. Him and Nige Boy? No. Him alone. Mr. Vegas, Nige bounce. 1 year, 21k. And them now come tell him, did they tell you last year so Mr. Vegas has struggled? No. Them not telling you that because it's an agenda them a push against Alkaline, and because Alkaline fans are come out and support him, and because Alkaline fans are fire back at them when them run out and try to discredit the use. Remember telling you, viewers, and them hate Alkalines, you know, Alkaline, you know, Alkaline fan them hate, and because Alkaline fans them are come out and stand up for them artists because Alkaline has a big impact on his fans. Alkaline has fan equity. So because him fans them a come out and stand up for him, they don't like that. The other artists them not have that fan base to come out and stand up for them. The other artists, so where you think them not tear down the other artists them, Alkaline them a tear down because Alkaline fans are stand up for him. Now I'm gonna pull up another platform, Vybz Kartel, the hottest artist in a dancehall as they claim to be. Not musically, but because of social media, and he's frequent on the media. He's doing all these videos 24/7 every day. But Vybz Kartel, the hottest artist, where I sell out the arenas them and the arena sheller. Now I'm going to take that from him because it is evident, it is facts, it is out there. We see it, he must sell out the places them. But Vybz Kartel has so much songs will drop. But you know what them all do? Them all find excuse and telling us, oh, Vybz Kartel a drop songs frequently, so we will understand why the whole of them now go hit one time. But them will hit in due time. Vybz Kartel. Me I go pull it up. Me I go blood cleat pull it up. Vybz Kartel. I'm gonna pull down the that thing up on the screen. The first song, right? Him drop some current song the other day where I take time build up. That's what I'm telling you say. Not every song I go take off in the space of Uno predict it to take off. None of Uno is not an algorithm professional. None of Uno is not a music professional. None of Uno are an artist for know where and which part the artist them song or which market the artist them song are going to take off in. An artist know where and where them songs are going to take off in because the artists follow the trajectory of them song. It's not Uno, the viewers and the listeners and the watchers are going to know. The artists them know which song and which song are going to take off in which market. Now I can't tell you, bro. Alkaline know which song and which song is appealing to different type of people. Like yesterday I was on the road and I play some songs. I hear some people I wonder which artist that I tell you say are the appealing songs them, not the raunchy raw one the people them are take on to. The one them were appealing were very subtle to the ears, calm and easy on the ears, and at that the people them are take on to. Not the raw one them, the one them where sound slightly fusion, where sound slightly Afrobeat-ish. Those are the one people are take on to. Now Vybz Kartel as the first song pan you scream on the screen featuring his son. Vybz Kartel can't even bust him son. Him son Vybz Kartel can't even bust. And you don't hear them coming out and say, Vybz Kartel, you need to focus and try for bust your son them cards. No care where your voice, no care which song you do with them, it now work. Vybz Kartel is the first song, Brave, in a 8 days. 8 days. 397k in a 8 days. Be brave. And it not it. It not go on with nothing. But will I come out and tell you say it not it? Or it not go it? No, I'm not going to do that. Me not go bet uno and tell you say it not go it because I don't know what the future bring. As me go back to Is You with Alkaline. Is You trajectory climb took a long time to climb. And then by the time it start creep up, everybody start take on to it. All of the ladies them start take on to it. If you go over TikTok and look for and type in Is You and type in Is You and look on all of the reactions to Is You, uno go come back and tell me say them people where them attack say them don't know where them attack say. Alright, the next song from Vybz Kartel list. The song where them tell you say I got it Billboard. The song where them tell you say I got it Billboard. Woof, 506k views 3 weeks ago. And did it hit Billboard? Did it go nowhere? No. Them come out and tell you say them not come out and tell you say the artists a struggle. They don't come out and tell, and them don't try to tear down the artists them, but you know which artists them a tear down? Alkaline, because them a push an agenda and me nah go stop telling you. It's an agenda them a push on the artists them. Like uno no know. Alkaline always approve on the wrong. Alkaline, the man where them a underestimate for all these years. They said he flopped in 2020. They said he flopped in 2019 when he was clashing Squash. They said that Alkaline a try look at hype. That's why him got clash Squash. But Alkaline proved on the wrong in a 2020 with Cree, with Nafi like so much hit songs. Alkaline flap on with. Alkaline make on have a shut on the mouth. In a 2020 and going forward, 2020 Alkaline dropped his album Top Prize. If you wanna check the views them, if you wanna check the reactions them of some of those songs on that album, Alkaline proved wrong time and time again. But yet still, come out in a 2025. I try for tear down Alkaline. I try for brainwash the public, which been a do from a all the time. In a 2025, come on. It's like remember Alkaline is the man who constantly approve wrong. He is constantly proving wrong. The next song, Vybz Kartel. The only song right now we are going with Vybz Kartel this currently song Storybook and the song God Is the Greatest. It take, as me tell on viewers, can't come out and bash artists and them songs, because you see when the artists them really put in the promotion for them songs or push them songs, them it. Vybz Kartel promoted God Is the Greatest and it me not gonna tell you say no it because it is a good song and it is appealing to the ears of people, so it take off and the promotion helps. God Is the Greatest 15 million, but did it hit Billboard? Did it go nowhere? The artists where I do all these interviews, all these promotion, all these big show, he went on Kai Cenat stream and they said that Vybz Kartel was going to introduce himself to newer fans. But did that song go anywhere? No, it never go nowhere. But them now come out and talk it. The next song on the board, Vybz Kartel, I'm telling you, you can't judge an artist song by just the audio them sometime, Some audios are going to take off because some song has a different way of taking off. Every song will take off the same way. But because, as I tell you, the agenda with them a push. The next song, Vybz Kartel, boom. 385k in a 1 month. Talk now, man. Them now go talk. Them now go tell you, say, Vybz Kartel now it. Boom, 308k and them never come out and bash the song. Alkaline them come out and a bash now. What you have against Alkaline? What agenda you have against Alkaline? Years you know do this, And as I say, viewers and subscribers, every level you go on, there's going to be a new hater. There are going to be a new hater, and Alkaline say, little harder, bad mind a little harder. Bad mind need for bad mind a little harder. Because no matter what you do, you not go stop him. Because the more you hate him, the more him pocket give thanks. Because you know what you do, Uno no know what I do. Uno a 8 pound Alkaline and a push an agenda, but now understand say by Uno doing that, Uno only a push more people for Uno only a push more positive people towards the artist. Uno only a push more people to give the artist a look in, and that Uno no realize. The next song, Glory of Jesus. Them telling us say, yeah, that is a good Christian song from Vybz Kartel. Glory of Jesus, me blood clean. Glory of Jesus. Glory of Jesus to Bumbo Clean, because that song not going nowhere. Vybz Kartel, the biggest artist in the dancehall right now. Them all tell us that the hottest artist in the dancehall right now. Him do the numbers them, him do the shows them, him do this, but the numbers are not showing. After 1 month, glory to Jesus. Glory of Jesus. 504k. Really, glory of Jesus, the blood clean. If Vybz Kartel drop a video for this, it probably would have take off. Who knows? But I am not here to speak hypothetically, because me don't know what can happen. It might take off, it might not take off. And as I say, if Alkaline drop a video for priority, it could have take off also with a great choreography, with a great storyline, everything. This song can take off. That me telling you say, the way our artists go to work, it's different. Man lie, woman lie, but numbers don't lie. And in due time, if this song is a great song, it will take off. And as I say now, I listen to the song and the song bad. The song bad. The next song from Vybz Kartel list. The next song from Vybz Kartel. Wait name, Jano. Pretty Girl. Amongst a Pretty Girl team. Pretty Girl by Vybz Kartel. 1 million after 2 months. 1 million. And they didn't come out and tell them, say, Jano, Vybz Kartel, this look embarrassing. As a big artist who sell out shows, I do baga interviews and promotion. I expected better from this Vybz Kartel Pretty Girl song. With an official music video, I expected better. 1 million, and them now come out and tell you because it's an agenda against Alkaline. Them a try tear down Alkaline because of his fans, or him fans them as support and defend him over the social media. They don't like it. Me see Nico Fire run out. Me see all sort of people run out. Me don't even want to call nobody name in my vlog because me not give nobody no highlight. Me not give nobody no strength. But because of Alkaline, them a tear down Alkaline. Me gone 36 minutes in another vlog. But me just to show uno. It's just to show uno. Me I go pull up a next video. Popcaan. Did they come out and say that Popcaan now it? No. Did they come out and tell them say Popcaan a struggle? No. Because it's an agenda against Alkaline. It is an agenda against Alkaline. The next song on the board, Popcaan. Pop friggin' Can. Them will tell them say Popcaan a big international act. Popcaan a big international act. But is Popcaan eating nowhere? No. We see Popcaan drop songs like Snapchat, and did it go anywhere? No. It not gonna away. Alkaline alone, them a try tear down. Them now split justice right across the board. Popcaan, first song on the board. First friggin' song. Rascalade. Me see Popcaan a promote Miami all over social media, which is good. Songs need promotion. Songs do need promotion. Me see Popcaan a promote Miami over TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. First song on the board, Miami, 368k in a 12 days. 12 friggin' days. 1 week, almost 2 weeks ago. And the song now going with nothing. But will I say it now? No. Because songs take off in whichever way it can take off. So when you hear man come on them platforms and tell you say, oh, me a bet you say this a song and now go it. Rubbish. Garbage, rubbish them attack because the other artists them have songs. We not do nothing. And this is not no former man worshipping. This is just to split justice. This is just to show the logics that these people are come out in trying to paint a narrative against Alkaline. And it is not new. It is not something new. It has been going on from a long time. Not just 2025, not just 2024. Them telling us say, nah left the game, I know it song. Because the number now climb. And look for nah left the game. 10 million views. And if another artist have 10 million views, they more telling you say, yeah man, a big hit song that last year. But because of Alkaline have 10 million views, they more telling you say, not it. They more telling you say, Alkaline, Listen, one of you understand is Alkaline I make classical music. You think of hype music Alkaline I make for the time being, for now, for hype up now, and then 2 years later or a month later or 10, 20 months later, then forget about it. No, Alkaline I make timeless music. So if you don't know take on to it now, it are too late for you to take on to it when it start kick up storm. Alkaline album, I'm not gonna come out for Alkaline top price album. Them say Alkaline album flop. Them telling you say Massacre album 438 do better than Alkaline album, but yet still he didn't do more numbers than Alkaline. A numbers game them I work with, yet it didn't do more numbers than Alkaline. Right now Alkaline I dominate the space. Alkaline Hostage, and Hostage don't have a music video. It doesn't have a music video. That's to show you the impact that Alkaline has with audio. People love Alkaline for his music. Them love him music for him music. Them not love him because of the music video them where him a drop and them a see him a have gyal a shake them bumper or him a have man back at him in a music video with gun or whatever. No, them love him because of music. His music paints a vivid picture. Now the next song, boy, 40 minutes me gone, bumbo. The next song, Popcaan, Column. I last picture this. The next song, Popcaan, Column. 115k in a 2 weeks. Me bumbo. People who not sip on the screen. Popcaan, Column. 115k in a 2 weeks. Popcaan, Lifestyle Moment. And this is a good song. This is a good song by Popcaan, but watch this, viewers and subscribers. Popcaan, Lifestyle Moment, has 941k in a 1 month, and Alkaline, Art Scar, which is an audio, and Popcaan, Lifestyle Moment, which is an official video, has less view than Popcaan. Has more Alkaline, Popcaan song Lifestyle Moment has less views than Alkaline, Art Scar. Go on YouTube and check Art Scar now. Art Scar has more views with an audio over Popcaan song. That is to show you every song take off in its own way. Another song, remember I'm just telling you, Popcaan as a song, Popcaan as a song with Ross, me I pull up too much tabs. Popcaan has a song with 115k views after 2 weeks. Column, and Alkaline as My Choice with over 300 odd views, people. 300,000 views. And them are telling us that Alkaline has struggled because him have a song with 300 odd views. Boy, them fucker them lie with the blood cleat. Them just a chat with them no know. Them just a chat with them don't know. And a that type problem with them people here out here. We are come out here a paint a propaganda pan Alkaline so that people run with certain things. Because watch this you see when you paint certain things in a people eyesight, them run with it because people don't do fact check. People don't do fact check or rundowns because them now pull up tabs and show and say the other artists them now do nothing either. But Alkaline, the man himself, the man who has more impact than some of them artists here, him alone them a tear down. Popcaan, next song, me bumbo clad Snapchat, snap friggin' chat with 1.3 million views with a video. Talk to me, man. Want somebody talk to me in the comment section. After that video I post, watch the video, make me know anything. Popcaan, Snapchat, 1.3 million views. 1.3 freaking million views. Next song on the board. Popcaan again with him brother, Nate Bands, Family First. 510k views, me bumbleclee. And will I say it's not a hit song? No, me not gonna say it, nah, it. Or me not gonna bet nobody and tell them say it nah gonna hit because over time certain song can take off. Nah gonna say Popcaan I artist thing right now, and that me telling you, every artist have them lukewarm era. Massacre took a long time to bust in a dancehall. Massacre they in a dancehall for 15 years straight, and it took him so long for bust. And me not take nothing from him. Him a get him highlight now, and him a do him thing, and him a make him waves. Him a dominate the space. Kudos to Massacre. But the other artists them will at up the place and do what them for do and make them name have a wide catalog. Massacre not half ready for reach the catalog where them artists have. Massacre have some hit songs here and there, but yeah, his catalog won't dominate these other artists because if you know check Spotify pan them artists and check Massacre, him not do the numbers them like them other artists. He is not doing the numbers. Another song me I go pull up on the tab now. Another friggin' song. Another song, Bumbo Cleed, Everything to Me by Popcaan after 2 months. Everything to Me by Popcaan after 2 months, and Alkaline as a song. Alkaline as a song called Earn Your Way, and it has more views than this Pana audio also. Me gonna pull up back the Alkaline before me end the vlog here. Popcaan has Everything good. Everything to Me with 89k. Yo, make me lock off this blood cleat, you know, cause Jano, them people are out here a chat a bagger crap. Them a chat a bagger crap. Them don't know what them a talk say. I'm gonna pull up by the Alkaline tab before me done with that vlogger. Alkaline. I'm gonna pull up by them bomb class tab because them don't know what them a say no. Them don't know what them a do. Them just Alkaline them a wait pan. Them don't know what them a do. Alkaline them a wait pan. Them don't know what them a do. Them just a chat with them don't know. Be a chat them a chat with them don't know. And that a go on right now, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline as another song. Let me pull up. Make me pull up this bombo cleat here, cause uno know na taxi out here. Uno no know where uno out here sa taxi. John free, me tell you say a campaign a go on in a dance hall now. A tear down campaign a go on in a dance hall now. Tear down Alkaline. Alkaline, me bombo cleat. Alkaline has better views than enough of them artists here. Alkaline Earn Your Way. 945k with the audio in a 1 month, and it is going in good. It a going good. Alkaline next song, Disgusting as 400. Me tell you say Alkaline are main danger for dancehall now. The way how them eat Alkaline, them not eat the other artists them. So Alkaline Disgusting 475k in a 3 weeks, and it a going good. Will I say no it? Me can't say it now go it because if the song get a video, it dominate, and me not speak hypothetically. It now go on with itself right now. But will I tell you say, or will I bet you say it now go it? No, me can't bet you that because every song have a different way how it take off. Mad Love, when Mad Love drop, the way how them run out, and as me telling you now again, you know. The haters them we are run out now wasn't there back then. So Alkaline up on a newer level now. Them a hate him even more. When Mad Love drop, them hate it but never run out so much a hate him. And now them a run out on Alkaline because they fear the greatness. Them fear the youth greatness. The next song on the board going watch out. The next song on the board, I don't even want to say going down. Next song on the board, My Choice. My Choice with 389k in a 2 months. And if Alkaline and the Genius come together and tell themselves they might drop a video, that song I would have gone. Because none of them people don't know music, you know. Them don't know the elements of music. Them think like the elements of music is just one thing or it's just the one way. Every sound, every element have different ways. Every artist have different ways how them tap into different sound. And Alkaline is a musical genius. He's a mad scientist. Them man they got to work differently with music. The next song on the board, Bumbo Cleat. See that? I tell you now already, man. Earn Your Way. Earn Your Way with 2.7 million views in a 4 months. And them telling you say, them not telling you say, them not telling you say that song they not go and good, it not it. And yet still the other artists them have so much videos we not it, and them now come out and run out and tell them so them not it. The nether song, the audio upon Earn Your Way. Earn Your Way has over 800k and 5k in a 6 months. And the other artists them have so much views in a so little views in a so much months. Mr. Vegas have it, Chronicler has it, Popcaan has it, Valiant has it, Vybz Kartel has so much views in a so little views in a so much months, and them now run out and tell them say the artists them now it. No, Alkaline them a try tear down viewers and subscribers, as me telling you know. It's an agenda. It is an agenda for tear down Alkaline. It is an agenda, but make them go and do them agenda because Alkaline time and time again him always approve them wrong. Make them go and talk, make them go and cuss, make them go and complain. Cause Alkaline nah left the game. Viewers and subscribers, make me know anything in the comment section. Leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know anything you know it go already, man. I Vybz and Inside with Nando. Them nah go stop eat, make them go and eat. Priority the number 1 on the iTunes reggae chart. Tell them to go take it down now. Tell them to go take it down. All who are 8 and telling us Alkaline a struggle, Alkaline need for retire. Make them go take it down now. Them can't do that. Them can't do that. If them bad, make them go take it down. Viewers and subscribers, a Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's another one, another episode. A mad thing. Leave on the thoughts in the comment section. I'm out. Peace.